Hello again, it's Christine, and welcome back as we conclude the series on Mix and Match Magic. Again, they include 5 pre-printed card bases that we turned into 10, along with ephemera packs that have 2 each of every icon and image. This was card 1, and this one is card 2. And then we made a congrats card, number 3. And yesterday we did the Hey Thinking of You card. Today is card 5. Let's begin with that card base that I have cut down, and then you will need a blank card base. Again, I've added a black, thin black frame around the edges there, just to kind of draw in the rest of the, to coordinate with the rest of the images I'm using. So you can see the images I pulled off there to the side. I am using that Unbounded Love die set again, and I've used it on some silver glitter paper. So I've taken that frame, that adorable frame with the little clips up at the top, and I've added a thin black layer behind it and put it up on foam tape using my fine detail glue to adhere that laser cut sentiment down there for you. And today I'm using the flower ephemera pack. So there's just a black and white set of flowers there. I'm just going to tuck underneath the sentiment. And then I'm going to add just some sparkly gold glitter gems in the center of a few of those flowers. And now the die set, I cut out some of the leaf icons there with the silver glitter paper, and I'm just tucking them underneath the flower there. And I think that looks good. So between the gems on the flowers and the sparkly leaves and flowers sticking out, it just gives it just a hint of sparkle without being overbearing. It's still that kind of monochromatic color tone there. Just adhering some glue and pressing it down, and the front is done. Now to the inside. I've got a sentiment, I'm pulling in another flower, and I thought I would go ahead and use a butterfly. Again, I'm using the Unbounded Love dies with those frames just in black and white. Just showing you where I got those. And then I'm going to add some foam tape for dimension to my sentiment inside. And a little bit of those flowers can go flat down, and why not add a couple of the smaller gems to the center of those flowers. And then of course the butterfly with just a little bit of foam tape up in the top there. And why not a little heart? Now I'm done. Thank you again for joining me through this Mix and Match Magic series. You can find all of these products on my shopping site, creatingwithchristine.stampinup.net. Be the first to know about my events, workshops, and classes by signing up for my blog updates on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.